Hi there, welcome back to another video. If you're looking for a yoga flow which you can sit comfortably over yoga mat or a bed or over a couch and practice, then this flow is for you. All you need is yourself, a place to sit comfortably and a will to flow with me. So let's get started. First and foremost, wherever you are sitting, just sit comfortably while keeping the spine straight like water is falling from the back. Close your eyes if you haven't already. Place the hands over the knees or at the heart center and breathe. Try to center yourself with your exhalations. Inhale and exhale slowly. Inhale and exhale. Try to find the rhythm of your breath and then eventually start making some gentle movements. First and foremost, place your palms over the other shoulders by crossing your elbows one over the other. Extend the arms to the sides and then do the same by changing the sides of the elbows. Now, with the exhale, again stretch the arms to the side and inhale again, this time right elbow over the left. Hold it up there like you are hugging yourself. And with a bigger exhale, extend the arms to the sides and inhale. This time, left elbow over the right one. Again, hug yourself really tight. And then exhale and release the hands. Now, gently place the palms over the shoulder and practice shoulder rolls. First, from forward to backward. Make yourself comfortable and try to rotate as wide and as big as you can by touching the elbows when you bring them to the front. Do it 4 to 5 rounds or up to 10 rounds. And then anti-clockwise, like you're bringing from back to forward. Again, touching the elbows whenever they come forward. Make big circles. And then with exhale, release. Hands down. Now start taking your shoulder blades up and down. Create some mobility in and around your shoulder by raising them. Now you can also choose to stretch your neck to the sides by supporting it. And do it very gently to not strain it. 2 to 3 rounds. And then change the side, this time left side of the neck. Stretch it. Release. This side also 2 to 3 times. And then release. Now take your neck by tucking chin to chest. And then inhale, you take it back. Exhale, bring it forward. Inhale, take it back. Now with inhale, rotate your neck from right center all the way to the back and bring it to the center. Again, do it in the opposite direction. Back to the center. Now stretch the right hand by supporting your left body by bringing the left palm down. Also, you can lower down the left elbow and give a good nice stretch to right side of the body by keeping the sitting stance, the sit bones really grounded. Now change the side, right hand goes down, left hand extended and give a good nice stretch. Lower down the elbows if you feel more comfortable with that. And then with inhale, you sit upright. Now go back, sit right next to the wall and place right feet over the left knee. Practice this stretch to warm up the right side of the hip. Now place the left foot over the right knee and bring the knee down by creating some extension by your hands. This will help you to open up your left hip. And now fold both the knees by spreading the leg wide open. And then lower down the right knee and then left knee to the other side. This is 90 to 90 rotation. Now with exhale, change the side. This time open the right knee way beyond and left knee down in front of the groin. With inhale and then with exhale, you go to the other side. Center and change the side to the right side. Release. And now from here, take the hands down and support your right hip and keep stretching the left knee up and down by having a great control over the right hip. Now changing the side, this time supporting the left hip and bringing the right knee up and down. Create a good balance with your left hip with control, and then comfortably extend both the legs in front of the body. Spread them little wide and try to flex the toes one toe at a time towards you and away from you. Keep changing the sides and keep creating the momentum between them. Interlock your fingers and start making big rounds in and around your toes. If not that far, you can go as far as you can. But keep your legs active, feet active, and keep making big circles clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. Now sit up straight, bring both the feet together, extend the leg in a straight line, sit upright in Dandasana, and now take the right feet and right heel going up the left fingers of the feet. You do not touch, you just take it up to have a great control over your hamstring and core. Now do the same with the left feet and keep doing. Now release and extend the toes. Now fold the right knee and bring the right foot close to the left thigh, lower down the knee and sit upright. Inhale, hands goes up, exhale in Janu Sheshasana. Have the hands wherever they go, as far as maybe hold the feet or grab the big toe or keep them over the shin bone or at the knee. Feel free to bend the knee and then exhale, release. Change the side. This time fold the left knee and with inhale you raise both the hands up again, and with exhale grab the toe or reach wherever you are comfortable. Feel free to fold the knee to have a better stability by not rounding your spine. And then inhale, hands up and bring your hands down and release the pose and extend both the legs in front of the body. Now inhale and raise both the hands, and with exhale fold forward in seated forward fold, Paschimottanasana. Grab the big toes or just have your hands over your shin bone. Feel free to bend your knees to keep your spine straight, not rounded, and drop your head or just fold forward to best of your capabilities. And keep breathing, and then inhale, hands comes up and release the pose. Now from here, fold the right leg and bring the foot next to the left knee. Take the left hand support and then eventually shift towards the right side and have a good twist to the right side. Bring a balance with your right palm to the right side. Breathe and then exhale. First look forward and release the pose. Now extend the legs. Fold the left foot, bring the left foot next to the right knee. Use the right hand support for the left knee and then Place the left palm next to the left hip and twist to the left side. Breathe over here. Exhale, look forward, release the posture. Now from here, fold your both the knees together. Sit comfortably. Place right and left palm little far away from the hips. And with inhale, just give a gentle back bend to your body. And eventually with exhale, fold forward to as far as you can go down. Breathe here. And then again with inhale, sit upright and gently get into a back bend with all the ease and comfort as far as you can reach. Slightly drop your head if you feel comfortable with that. And breathe over here. Keep breathing. And then eventually gauge at a one point and then exhale and fold forward. If possible, try to touch your forehead with the yoga mat or nose to the yoga mat, or just stay up high wherever you are comfortable at. And then again inhale, sit upright. Now from here, extend your left leg, bring the right toe and hold the right leg using both the hands. You can grab from outside of the knee and the toe and hold this stretch for your right hip. You can also hold the thigh and extend the foot to upward and then down with control. And then again do the same from the left leg. Fold, hold, cradle it, and if possible, grab it from the outside. And then extend, hold it from the inner thigh. Extend and then with exhale, drop down. Now fold both the knees together. Lift up the heels, hands at the thighs or to the sides of the legs. Hold the boat pose. Continue breathing. And with exhale, gently drop both the feet down. Now from here, with all the ease, sit upright, bringing both the feet together and start swaying your both the legs to the sides. If you feel uncomfortable, you can also use the wall support to support your back and keep swaying your butterfly to the side. Now sit upright, bringing both the feet together, much more closer to the groin. Feel free to support wall support like I said, and grab the feet close to groin again and find the comfort cushion by placing hands over the feet or over the heart center or over your knees. Continue breathing. As you breathe in, your belly goes up. As you exhale, your belly goes down. Inhale, belly goes up, and exhale, belly go down. Use this time to relax, be comfortable, and just stay focused with your breath. Try not to make any movement in your body physically, whereas stay very attentive with your inhalations and exhalations. If you get lost in your thoughts, try to reframe back to your breathing and relax the deep stretch in your groin, in your thighs, and in your whole lower body, whereas the upper body is staying very calm yet attentive. Just breathe and relax. And whenever you feel like ending this practice, rub your palms, gather all the energy by placing the palms over your face, and then take few more rounds of breath if you have to, and then start making some gentle movements in your leg first, and then use this time to gently come back to your current scenario and open your eyes. If you have liked anything about this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, keep showing up and keep practicing. And I will definitely see you in the next video. Until next time, bye.